Welcome to the shadows hidden within the world of radiology. यहाँ हम अनदेखे राजों की तलाश करते हैं, ऐसे राज जो जिस्म की सतह के नीचे छुपे हैं, लेकिन कभी कभार हमें जो मिलता है इसकी कोई वजाहत नहीं होती। इस दुनिया में साइंस और मावराई दुनिया के दरमियान हदें धुंधली हो जाती हैं। तस्वीर वो दिखाती हैं जो मौजूद नहीं होना चाहिए। साए वहाँ हरकत करते हैं जहाँ कोई रोशनी नहीं। चेहरे जो हमें दूसरी तरफ से घूरते हैं। वेलकम टू रेडियोलॉजी इनसाइट्स। आज रात हम रेडियोलॉजी के इन पुरअसरार पहलुओं में झांकेंगे जहां साइंस भी समझ नहीं पाई। तैयार हो जाएं उस चीज़ के लिए जो एक्सरे के पार है, जहां एक्सरे और सीटी स्कैन में कुछ ऐसा छुपा है जो शायद इंसानी आंख बर्दाश्त नहीं कर सकती। साए जो तस्वीर में सरसराते हैं। कभी कभार ये तस्वीर हमें ऐसी कहानियाँ सुनाती हैं जो हकीकत से ज़्यादा लर्ज़ा देने वाला है। आज रात हम उस जानिब सफ़र करेंगे जहाँ रेडियोलॉजी और सुपरनैचुरल का मिलाप होता है। क्या ये सिर्फ मशीन के चक्कर हैं या फिर दूसरी जानिब से पैगामात? Imagine late at night in the dim glow of an imaging room. A radiologist reviews scans alone. Most scans are routine, predictable, but every once in a while something unexpected appears, something otherworldly. Throughout the history, medical professionals have encountered the unexplainable, mysterious figures, unexplained shapes, and eerie details hidden deep within the scans or outside. Today, we are diving into an unsettling question. Can radiology detect the supernatural? Radiology is grounded in science. CT scan, MRIs, X-rays, all designed to capture what's inside the human body. But sometimes these machines capture more than what science can explain. Let me take you to some cases from hospitals. A night in December, a radiologist named Dr. R.I. was finishing up a late night shift when she came across a scan that stopped her cold. It was a routine image meant to check for a broken rib, but just behind where there should have been nothing was a human-like figure staring back. At first she thought it was a trick of the light, maybe a smudge, but she cleaned the monitor and looked again. The figure was still there. Dr. R.I. could not ignore it. She even called a colleague to check, but she saw it too. They both stared, questioning everything they knew about radiology, wondering if perhaps they had glimpsed something more. Now you might think, could this really happen? Well, medical imaging occasionally picks up odd shapes and shadows due to error in the scan. Artifacts they are called. But could some artifacts be more than mechanical glitches? Could they actually be paranormal? Over the years, radiologists have reported rare occurrences where scans reveal unusual shadows, figures, even faces, as if something or someone was imprinted onto the film. Another radiologist saw what appeared to be a face with hollow eyes in the scan of a patient. Yet the patient had no physical trauma, no condition that explained it. Dr. Bia closely examined the image. Something catches her eye. She leans in, her gaze narrowing as a faint, ghostly figure appears. Was it an error or something more? A chill runs down her spine, and she wonders if she is seeing things, but the shape remains staring back at her. Moments like this make her questioning everything she knew about radiology. Each second of silence in the room seems to amplify the mystery. Sitting alone in the dim glow of radiology room, Dr. Bia studies a scan only to feel a creeping sensation of unease. She notices something unusual, shadows that should not be there. As she stares, the shadows seem to grow, morphing into faint, ghostly hands reaching out from the screen itself. Frozen in fear, the silence is heavy, the darkness in the room thick, and those ghostly hands draw near. Dr. Bia realizes she may be witnessing something science cannot explain it. These stories are rare, unexplained, but they persist. Is it a glitch, a coincidence, or are these glimpses beyond? As strange it sounds, some even believe these Aries images are residual energies, emotions, or even souls left behind. Science may laugh, but no one can fully explain why these forms occasionally appear. So, next time you are in the radiology room and light flickers, remember science can see into the body, but perhaps sometimes it also glimpses the unknown. Or is it all just in our minds